Okay. Gotta tighten you up. Knee. Okay. Other knee. Okay. Hip. Okay. Other hip. Okay. Oh yeah. Middle part. We gotta use your belly button. Okay. Now, elbow. Hold your arms out. That one's pretty easy. Nah, that was easy. Ready? Listen. Okay. Okay. Now, remember what?
My armpit.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. Other armpit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, now your arms won't fall off. Now, we don't want your...
My shoulders.
We don't want your what to fall off.
My head.
Okay. Let me see your neck. Okay. Now over here. On this side. Okay. Now this side. Okay, let me see your neck. Let me see your neck. Okay. All right. Are we through?
No, my shoulder.
Oh, right here. Okay. And right here. Okay. Are we through? Oh, what about your toes? Let me see your feet. Let me see your feet. Okay. I'll hold them up right here. Okay. Okay, and this one. Okay, all good? Ready to go to school tomorrow? Okay.